Paseo de Rojas naman tayo. Ating babaybayin, Paseo de Rojas. Tingnan muna natin, ayan, Paseo. Legazpi Village naman ito. Andyan yung Greenbelt 1. Legazpi Village. Bagali Ford Ranger Sundo pa naman tayo sa may PDIC. Ayan, nakita nyo naman, nasulyapan na naman ang lagay ng traffic dito sa may Paseo de Rojas, Makati City, Philippines. Susukan natin ang Paseo de Rojas para makita nyo. Saan na? Ayun, Paseo de Rojas, corner de la Rosa. Okay, ayan. Let's go. Diretso na tayo. Paseo de Rojas, Legazpi Village, Makati City, Philippines. Makati City is the central business district of the Philippines. Magra-rush hour na dahil 4 o'clock na Alright. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. I hope that you enjoy travel with me in different places here in Makati City, Philippines. Duty first, before pleasure. It's duty for every Filipino to serve our country, all for the glory of God. Until next time, see you soon on my next road trip.